Hey, it's Guard here, and today I'm going to put a license plate mount on the front of my plastic bumper on our Gladiator Rubicon because I need to have a front license plate where I live. Otherwise, I would not put one on here, but because I have to have a front license plate, I have to do this. But anyway, so I bought this from Quadratech. It says it's a JL Sahara NAFTA kit number 682937338AA, and it says how to install it. So basically, there's 4 little tiny pucks in here, little divots. There's one here, 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 and here. And I took a screwdriver and I just kind of, to the first one right here, I just gave it a little bit of a turn just to make it easier to find it when I put this on. So I'm going to just drop this in here. This is really simple. Next thing I got to do is look behind here, find that little divot that I made right there. And I know it's in there because it's kind of got a little traction on it. And then I'm going to get another long one, put over here. And I'm going to give just a little bit of a tightening on this one. Just like that. And make sure this is nice and sitting on the bumper, nice and flat, square. And these screws, they just tap right into this plastic. They're really pointy and sharp. There we go, just like that. Yeah, we'll get that one tight. Don't want to over tighten them because it'll strip out the plastic. Just get them a little snug. And the kit comes with 6 screws. 2 are short and 4 are long. So you want to use the long ones. The short ones are actually for the license plate itself. And put that one in there. It's a really simple little job. If a dealer wants to install this for you, do it yourself. It's just like, golly, a couple of minutes worth of work. And there it is. Hold on one second, I'll get some. And while I'm waiting for my license plate to come in so I can install it from the state, I'm just going to put a temporary one out front. Look at that. U.S. Coast Guard retired.
Oh, it slides into some slots there.
Yeah, it's got some little slots. Let's see. Like that. And then you just put the little screw up there. Alright, and I'll just have this in here until my state license plate for the front comes in. Well, there it is. Pretty simple. Yeah, it's got but it was pretty simple to do. It's like 4 long screws, 2 short screws, and it's done. And I got that from Quadratech. Great little, they have so much stuff. You got a Jeep. I think they have about everything you need for a Jeep. And a lot of it's reasonably priced. So if you need this for your front of your Jeep, give them a call. Otherwise, the Mopar part, you can go through the Jeep dealer and get it also that way. But I think I paid right at $25 for that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Go out and have fun in your Jeep. Bye.